Tamo bom.
Hello guys! Welcome back! I am back now. Nandito na ako sa Spain. So, dumating ako guys noong 8th of January 2023. And now it is 11 of January 2023 guys. So, nagpahinga muna ang lola nyo sa pag-vlog. Kasi ang dami kong mga videos na hindi pa na-edit. Yes, kasi guys, every time na dumarating na yung time talaga na oras ng pagtulog, as in na very tired at nakakatulog ang lola nyo guys ng mahimbing. Tapos, nagkaroon kami ng problema guys dito nung wala pa ako. Ano daw guys, na hindi nag-work yung wood stove namin. So, kaayos lang kanina. As in na tinanggal nila yung tube guys sa labas. Tinanggal yun at as in na lininisan inside. Kaya as in na super kapal na tabunan pala yung buong tubo guys. Kaya hindi makalabas yung usok. Kaya instead na lumabas yung usok, sa baba mismo lumalabas guys. Kaya as in na hindi nagamit ng mag-aama ko ang wood stove for how many days. Buti na lang may chimney kami dito sa kitchen, which is this. Ayan. So, yun ang ginagamit nila guys. Tapos, our dear friends lent us electric heater. So, yun yung ginagamit nila guys noon. Nung wala ko dito. Tapos, yun din ang ginamit namin nung dumating na rin ako. Tapos, ngayon lang na okay na. Parang, yeah, okay na siya guys. Okay na yung ano natin, yung wood stove natin. Pero inaayos sinisindihan ni hubby yung wood stove. Kasi na para magkaroon siya ng baga and all that. Pag sindihan mo kasi as in na mausok, kaya nandito kami sa kusina. And also, we ate a lot of noodles guys from the Philippines these days. And then Hailey requested these noodles for tonight's dinner. Kahit na may salmon na kami, nalulutuin ko sana for dinner. Sabi niya, she wants to eat this. Kaya sabi ko, okay. At sinabi niya kasi na ano daw, na wala na daw. Paubos na mami, sabi niya. So, okay, let's make a video of this. Habang meron pa, kasi kung ubos na, hindi na kami makapag-video. So, ito nga, kumuha siya ng dalawang ganito. This is salo pack. Kasalo pack, it means you have to share this one. This one is good for 2 person. So, yun nga, kumuha siya ng dalawa. So, yun yung kainin namin for dinner. I'm not sure if Lakoto wants it. You want it? You like? Ayaw niya daw. Si Hailey lang at saka ako kasi si Hailey mahilig siya ng noodles like me at saka yung medyo maanghang. So, yun ang kainin namin. Nag-boil na din ako ng egg because we have so many eggs, guys. And I'm so thankful because we have so many eggs. Are you okay, Daddy? Yeah? Is it okay now? Yeah, okay. That's good.
Pero depende se lo migliore, eh?
Yeah. Say hi to the vlog, Daddy. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, people. So, ayun nga guys, okay na daw sabi ni hubby. Kaso nga lang pinapaalis pa namin yung usok para As in, hindi mangamoy doon. And we can go to our living room and enjoy staying there and watching films and all that. Yes, movies. So, ayun na nga guys. Nag-boil na rin ako ng itlog. Yun ang kainin din natin together with our Pancit Canton extra hot chili flavor. So, Lakota Karinya, what are you doing?
We are going to try.
Yeah, we are going to try it. We tried already, but it wasn't hot. Yeah, yung Korean talaga yun yung talagang as in a really, really hot, right, Hailey? Yeah,
So
and
spicy.
yeah, really spicy. Okay, guys, so we'll show you later, okay? So, these are our eggs, guys. So, ito ang ating mga itlog. I think nagbo-boil na siya ng ilang minutes. And now we're going to throw this away and let's peel this off. Oh, okay, guys. So, our Pancit Canton is here. And Hailey got her Pancit Canton already. And mine in there. Okay, so let's ask Hailey. And
you?
Later. Oh, wait, then, wait.
Pick up.
Ito Lakota, mi amor. You want?
Hello, it's me.
You want, mi amor?
This is my food. This is my food. Okay, I'm going to try because it's so good.
Here,
Mama.
Cookie.
Hello, Mama.
Here, Lakota, come here.
No.
Wait, it's okay. Sit
Two.
here.
And you?
Or is it okay?
You? Okay. Sorry, guys. Oh, my sister. Yeah. Today's the
Okay,
action.
guys, so let's eat. I'm going to eat in here. Yes. Because Lakota took mine. Alright, so let's eat and let's see how this Pancit Canton goes. Kung gusto nila, guys. Okay ba? Show them how you eat.
And you?
Show them Lakota in the video. Wow. Huh? In the video all the time, huh? You have your water here.
My egg.
I take one egg.
Okay.
Sarap. I love it.
Why?
So let's do this challenge, guys. Eating Pancit Canton. Eating Lucky Me Pancit Canton hot, spicy.
It's not
Or
spicy.
extra hot. Or how do you call that? Yes, basta yung maanghang.
Okay, that's it.
Just the spicy one.
Pero también podemos
Okay.
echar, ¿no?
Yeah, of course. You can eat the egg also, of course. Lakota, come here. Cookie.
Without water.
Water or milk, if you like.
Pero si va
This water.
¿no?
This
Si va a
water.
super.
No.
Mama, this water.
Yeah, that's your water, right?
Ja, special, eh?
Hello.
Va, pero.
Mm-hmm.
Va, menjo.
Hello.
No, tot.
Kebe, Cariño.
Suposo que una mica deuen haver tingut aigua, no? No hi és?
Yes, Daddy.
Y no traen carros, eso venden.
Sí.
No yes. Sí, pero...
Let my husband try this one, guys. Okay. Okay.
¿Qué pediste del papa?
Is it spicy?
No.
No. So it's not spicy, guys.
It's very good.
Yeah, just nice.
Very good.
Even Lakota is enjoying. Even my 4-year-old daughter is enjoying. Huh? Yes, Cookie?
Pika.
No? Ah. Okay.
No, sopa na. I'm going to the bathroom. I have pee-pee. Ang kaka.
Pero like Hailey, kabo.
Mama, asis ko tatoki aligla Hailey. Aligla ka. I want to know. I'm here. I'm here.
Sorry.
Hi, Hailey.
Napunta na yung store.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Sarap. Yummy, huh? You like it?
Adios.
Adios.
Guapa, mira cómo acá la vas a ver, sí la agarré.
You are not drinking water.
¿Sí? A ver.
You can show them. You drink milk if you like milk normally. Huh?
No. Water. I'll drink.
Give me Lakotas. Coke.
Ah.
Okay guys, so kumuha ako. I took something to drink. Hindi siya spicy guys, kaso nga lang, syempre, matagal na akong kumakain, so I need something to drink, so kumuha ako. So, yun nga, hindi naubos nila ko yung sa kanya. So, naghati kami ni Hailey. Let's finish it. Ha? Mio. Kasi.
Ah, sí. Significa que paxi.
Hello guys! So, na-enjoy namin. Even my husband like it guys. Yes, my husband pati si Happy guys, nagustuhan niya yung Lucky Me Pancit Canton na maanghang guys. As in, hello guys, good evening. Time check, it is 12 time check guys, it is 8:12 in the evening, and my husband just called me and telling me that they are on the way home because Haley has Aikido in the city center. So while they are on the way home, my husband called me and asking what's for dinner, and I told him whatever you like, and then Haley said I want Pancit Canton, so I'm going to cook the Pancit Canton, the spicy one. Lucky me, this one guys, Lucky me Pancit Canton extra hot. Yes, but that's not so spicy or hot, so yeah, I'm going to cook 3. So ayun guys, magluluto tayo ng 3. So each pack is just like for 2 person. Yeah, but because you know we love to eat a lot, we're going to cook this one guys, and our water is boiling already, and yeah, let's put these noodles inside. Alright guys, so my husband and my girl Haley just arrived home, and now look, this is our Pancit Canton, and it's time to eat. Good? Is it good?
Tamugo.
Very good, Haley. Haley finished her food.
Done.